लाई लोकसेवा बजारमा स्वागत। आज हामीले बैंकिङ सम्बन्धी महत्त्वपूर्ण प्रश्नोत्तरहरू समावेश गरेका छौं जुन यस प्रकार छन्। हाम्रो पहिलो प्रश्न रहेको छ, व्हाट इज द नेचर अफ प्रोग्राम इनिसिएटेड टु रिफर्म सेन्ट्रल बैंक एन्ड कमर्सियल बैंक अफ नेपाल? एन्सर रहेको छ फाइनान्शियल सेक्टर रिफर्म प्रोग्राम। त्यसैगरी दोस्रो प्रश्न, सिन्स व्हेन इज द फाइनान्शियल सेक्टर रिफर्म प्रोग्राम लन्च्ड इन नेपाल? मक्सिर 2057। Who does Nepal Rastra Bank coordinate through when it has to contract with Nepal government? Ministry of Finance. Which organization used to perform the activities of Nepal Rastra Bank has been performing after establishment? Sadar Muluki Khana. What is the currency not much accepted due to its unusual and unpredictable exchange rate called hot currency? Repealing dual exchange rate system. When was the single exchange rate system enforced in Nepal? 2038 Bikram Sambat. When was dual exchange rate system introduced in Nepal? 2034 Bikram Sambat. It was introduced to promote export trade. Where did the meeting of Nepal Development Forum take place in 2002 AD? Kathmandu. Which is the first commercial bank of Nepal established with joint investment of local and foreign investor? Nepal Arab Bank Limited, now called as Nabil Bank Limited. Which is the first commercial bank of Nepal established with investment of private investor of Nepal? Lumbini Bank Limited, now merged with Bank of Kathmandu. When did Agricultural Development Bank get the license to have transaction as the bank of A grade? 2062 Chaitra 3. When did Agricultural Development Bank substitute the cooperative bank established on Bhadra 28, 2020? 2024 March 7. When was Rashtriya Banijya Bank established? 2022 March 10. Which is the second commercial bank of Nepal? Rashtriya Banijya Bank. Which is the first development bank of Nepal? Nepal Industrial Development Corporation. When was Nepal Bank Limited established? Kartik 30, 1994 Bikram Sambat. Which was the first commercial bank of Nepal? Nepal Bank Limited. While taking membership of the WTO, Nepal had agreed to let foreign bank run branch in Nepal. According to it, since when could they start their branch? After 2010 AD. What is the coin having errors in taxar called Fido? Which country of the world has the clumsiest paper rupee? Taiwan. Which country has the cleanest note of all? United States of America. Who was the first king to introduce gold coins in Nepal? Sadashobha Malla. Which authority used to look after the activities related with money exchange during the Rana regime? Saraf Khana. Which country did the paper note start from? China. Which was the first country to start current account? England. When was Rural Development Bank established? 2049 Bikram Sambat. Which was the first authenticated to issue note? Bank of England, 1994 AD. Which department issued the note? Currency Management Department, Nirgaman Vibhag. Who signed in the first note issued on Ashok 1st, 2022 Bikram Sambat? Khazanchi, cashier Narendra Raj. Which was the first central bank of the world? Bank of England, 1694 AD. When was the polymer note introduced in Nepal? Ashok 14, 2059 Bikram Sambat. The note issued by the Sadar Muluki Khana is called OP, Old Print. What is the note issued by Nepal Rastra Bank called? NP, New Print. Since when did Nepal Rastra Bank issue first note with Nepal Sarkar printed on it? Ashok 6, 2063 Bikram Sambat. Since when Nehru written in Nepali currency? Shravan 14, 2016. Prior to it, the currency used to have Moru printed on it. Who was the Prime Minister of Nepal when Nepal Rastra Bank was established? Tanka Prasad Acharya. Since when did Nepal Rastra Bank start issuing note? Phagun 7, 2016 Bikram Sambat. When did Nepal first issue the coin with both English and Nepali language to describe its worth? Shravan 1st, 2063 in the coin of Rs 1. When was the first paper currency note issued in Nepal? असोज 1 2002 विक्रम सम्वत issued from Sadar Mulki Khana on behalf of Nepal Sarkar. When did the government of Nepal issue the paper notes of ₹5 with Nepal Sarkar instead of Shri 5 ko Sarkar on it? Ashosh 6 2064 Vikram Samvad. What has substituted the king and crown's mark in the paper currency issued by Nepal Rashtra Bank? Sagarmatha. What is the tenure of office of the Deputy Governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank? 5 years. How many types of note are issued by Nepal Rashtra Bank? 11. धन्यवाद। आजको हाम्रो सेसन यही समाप्त भएको छ। हाम्रो आफ्नै वेबसाइट पनि रहेको छ जहाँ तपाईहरुले निशुल्क रूपमा अध्ययन गर्न, परीक्षा दिन सक्नुहुन्छ। साथै देशभरिमा तपाईको र्याङ्क कति हो भनेर पनि थाहा पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। त्यसका लागि हाम्रो वेबसाइट www.lokseyabazar.com मा जानुहोला। थप जानकारीका लागि तपाईले हाम्रो फेसबुक पेज लोकसेवा बजारलाई लाइक तथा फलो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। धन्यवाद।